Becak. Enggak, capek.
A few weeks before the Chinese New Year, I traveled to Tangerang's Chinatown for a food venture because the city had a strong Chinese influence. This city is about 30 minutes train ride on the commuter line.
So this is called it's very sticky. And it has like these coconut bits in it. It's like the nata de coco. It's chewy, sweet, not too sweet. And very inside, it sticks to your throat, so it's kind of challenging. Interesting. It's called sayur asin. It literally is translated to salty vegetable.
Pickled? Pickled small.
I think it's pickled, isn't it?
Right. juga ya soalnya.
Yeah. It's how itu apa ya? It's kind of like no, it's lettuce.
Lettuce.
I think it's lettuce. They fermented like for 2 days.
Bahasa Tionghoanya apa sih?
Salty and it's good, and they say they eat it with pork.
Cakep ya? Iya bener. Itu Pak Bondan aja suka kemari.
This is asinan, translated to saltiness. This is Theo.
Yes.
He will be the victim today, and he will eat the asinan and test it first.
Yeah, that's right.
Surely I will eat it too.
Yeah, that's right.
It looks deadly. Is it salty?
The sauce is spicy but sweet. It's delicious.
Yeah. Don't
Okay.
finish it. No.
I will finish it.
But behind the camera is Suchi. Suchi used to work here at the museum a few years back, so I consider her local. And this is one of her favorite dishes. This is chicken porridge
In front of the temple.
in front of the temple. It's weird because they have like greens in it, and the chicken is good, the porridge is mild and delicious, and they have these little crunchy crisp that adds texture. Really. It's good, yes?
Yes.
Another one is the lego. They say it's authentic
Can I
Tangerang
try?
cake. They don't sell it anymore. We don't know why, but I'm curious to try. It's kind of like you're eating your pillow. Yeah? Eat your pillow.
Marshmallow.
No, marshmallow is sweet. This is not too sweet. So it's kind of like, it's better eaten with, if you're drinking with sweet tea or coffee. Usually you can find choy pan in many Chinese neighborhoods. But here, this choy pan, apa ya? I forgot, the bengkuang. I'll put it there. It's softer. It's not as strong as the one that you usually find in glodok in Jakarta. And the spicy sauce has a good kick.
The inside any shrimp.
Oh yeah, they have shrimp. They have shrimp inside the choy pan.
This is so cheap.
10,000?
Yes, 10,000. 5.
5 for 10,000.
Saya bikinlah namanya kopi perantara, ya, yang saset dengan yang berat. Nah, saya campur namanya kopi go. Nah, itu adalah kopi daerah Jawa, Temenggung. Saya tambahin dengan 10% jagung.
Filosofi kopi nih teman-teman.
Nah, jadi rasanya agak ringan. Nah, contohnya ini.
Iya kayak kopi saset sih rasanya.
Iya. Ambil saset kan? Itu saya lagi edukasi. saya didik orang-orang yang majuin pakai saset itu, udah kalau bisa tinggalin. Toh harga nggak jauh. Kamu beli saset 3.000, saya jual 4.000 kalau hitung.
My favorite part of the day was visiting the factory where they made the kue keranjang and dodol. One of the most prominent brand is Nyonya Lauw.
This is the workshop of Nyonya Lauw dodol. Dodol Nyonya Lauw. It's one of the authentic food for Chinese New Year. This is the factory. Ah, Bapak! And this is the factory. We're gonna go inside. Yay!
Visiting the factory, I learned that making the kue keranjang or basket cake is pretty simple.
Feel it. Then weigh it. Then push it.
But the dodol making was so interesting. Batter is mixed for 12 hours in a hot pot. 2 men take turns stirring one pot until it's ready to be pulled for samples. I love the fact that everything done here, all the way to its wrapping process, is done by hand. One of the secrets of Nyonya Lauw's recipe is that they grind their own rice flour. One of the workers said that the cake tastes and smells nicer if you grind your own rice flour. During my visit, unfortunately, all the workers were resting and napping together. Tangerang has their own laksa, similar to that from Malaysia, but they have their own authentic noodles.
The noodle's weird. It's rough. It's not smooth like usual noodles. Kind of like curry, but the milder kind.
Gurih, manis, agak sedikit manis. Kayak tempat lebaran.
That's pretty much it for my trip to Tangerang this time. Hope to see you again in our next video.